How to add social icons to footer on Squarespace. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your website. Click onto this pages option and choose right here the page that you want to add it. On default, it will be added on all of your pages, so you can just choose which one you want. Head over and click on edit, and then from in there, scroll all the way down until you reach the footer. Here's my footer right here. Let's proceed to edit it by clicking onto this icon. Once we're in here, click onto this add block, click onto the search, and search right here the social links. Click on this, and after that, it will add that particular block right here onto your page. Here's our social links right here. Just click onto this pencil icon in order to edit it. Click onto this add and input right here the link. For example, let's input YouTube right there. So just proceed to enter right here the content and click on enter and it will appear right here. You can add another one, like for example, let's add Facebook next. Then it will be added on here as well. So you can just proceed to add your page or your business links right here in order to add those. So that's how you add social icons to footer on Squarespace. Hope we helped.